Paano tayo mag-beach kung maulan? Beach. Move, move, move. Morning po. We're going on a boat ride. Oh my god. We're going on a boat. This is the view. So medyo malakas lang yung ulan. So we're in our first destination, the smallest plaza. So after sa pasalubong, our next stop is Guimaras signage. Grabe yung kapitolyo nila. And that is the signage. We just need to make pila because there's a lot of people taking pictures. We'll wait for our spot. So we're here at the pit stop. We ordered adobo sa mangga. Adobong may mangga. Ay, ayun pala. Chicken adobo with mango twist. And then, bangus sisig with mango bits. Tignan natin. So this is the bangus and pamangga. Adobo naman. This is the adobo with mangga. Tingnan natin. Parang nagko-complement naman. Matamis yung mangga. Siyempre, mango shake. Panalo. So ayun, nandito na tayo sa lighthouse after almost 40 minutes of travel from dun sa chapel. And then ayan, maulan. So ayan yung surroundings niya at ang hirap mag-explore.